Hello, you don't know it.
Hi guys, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE representing for the team.
And Punky here, you know?
Punky, what your name?
What me? Stephanie.
You don't know your name. Punky Skylife.
Oh, start over me.
No, we now start over.
You don't know it's Punky Skylife in the building.
Yo! I want the damn. Alright, start for it. Just ready now, Stephanie.
Start over.
Alright, ready. Hi, good day, guys. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building representing for the team.
I'm Punky Skylife in the building representing, you know?
And today we will be doing the Whisper Challenge. Like I saw it, sorry. So yes, we have here the earphone. This is a professional earphone based upon baiting. This comes with my professional mic. You don't know you have punky liquor phone or have a music them on baiting. And we're gonna start right now.
Now.
Stephanie, who gonna start? I'm gonna put it on my ears.
Alright, you put it on your... No, me start. Me start.
Where you gonna start? You gonna ask me questions?
No, me want put it earphone because me know. You know?
Alright, play so. You dey play?
Yeah.
You turn up your loud? You turn up your loud? How you know what me I say?
Come here, hero.
You don't fi hear me.
So you want me to do a book?
Play one different song. You hear what me I say?
Yeah.
You hear me? You hear me? She about to sit down and answer me.
Alright, go on. I love Punky.
No.
Messa, back up. Can you keep the right? You keep so disturbing.
Alright, go again. Alright, ready now.
What you say?
No, ready. Sorry. Alright. Can't shake and go on so. Wait, ready.
Dirty girl Punky.
She got that one correct. Alright.
Oh, me love man.
She got that one correct. Alright, one more and then my turn.
Me I got beer today.
Stephanie, you hear me?
No?
Alright. Alright, my turn.
Alright, Malika, your time. You hear me? You buck, you know.
Punky, why your phone so low?
You hear me?
Alright, sorry. Ready now.
You hear me?
Don't talk. Just move your mouth.
Okay,
What? Come again. Which part Monday then?
yeah, she get
Let's
that
just stop here. Come. Come again. Why make me lose so much weight?
Correct! You hear me or
Oh, you got that. Come. I wear a size 9. What size do we wear?
Yeah. She get that right. Pull out the earphone.
I play. What's that dance, Punky? What's that dance? Okay, guys. That is the end of our Whisper Challenge. And thank you for stopping by our channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love. I want to hear from you. Peace. I'm out.
I'm out.
I like